Alright, welcome back. This right here is extremely thick. That's well over an inch thick. Well over. We're gonna cut this now, and we're gonna see what's right here. If this is this thick right here, I'm dying to see what this is. Ready? I still haven't hit any metal yet. Alright. Just now hit metal. Why that is like that is beyond me. There is no reason for that right there. I can literally chip that out with a hammer. That's amazing. This is totally uncalled for because this is actually a factory body line. And let me show you something real quick. This is unbelievable. I just ground an entire body line away. Look at that, guys. Look, I made a whole body line flat. Okay, now, they even did over top of rust. I don't know if you can see that. They bonded right over top of rust. All this on the floor right here, look at this. All that was just off of the car. That is amazing. And the worst part is, there's no body damage. There was no reason for it. There is nothing wrong with this right here. That's an actual factory body line. There's nothing wrong with it. Why would you add that much mud for no reason? We don't do that here at American Classics. We appreciate your time. Thanks.